Hello students, now let's start lesson number 3, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay, this is the funny story like Akbar and Birbal, stories of Tenali Raman. Okay, just like this is the story of Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Okay, Hilsa is the name of a fish. Okay, so when the story going on at that time the season was of hilsa fish. So in the kingdom, in the whole kingdom, all the peoples were discussing about hilsa fish. They are selling, they are cooking the hilsa fish. Even in the court of king, all the courtiers also discuss about hilsa fish. Okay, so that was the story about Gopal and a Hilsa fish. Hilsa is the name of a fish. Okay, so if we see this story, it is presented by the pictures, just like comic. Okay, if we see in the comic, we can see that there was many pictures and all the characters in the pictures, they are discussing with each other, and thus the story is going on. Okay, just like this is the story which is also presented by the different pictures. Okay, let's see the Gopal and the Hilsa fish story which is presented by the different pictures, just like comic. Okay, let's see what is there in the story. Here it was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but only Hilsa fish. Okay, so there was the season of Hilsa fish. So all these fishermen, they are thinking about the Hilsa fish only. Next picture, fishermongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come, so all the fishermongers means fishermonger means the person who's selling fish. Okay, so they are shell only Hilsa fish. They talking about the Hilsa fish that come buy the price of Hilsa fish is down today. So there was the fishermonger who sells Hilsa fish. Okay, all the peoples is looking around the Hilsa fish, and that is the fish market. All the fishermonger, they are selling the fish. They attracted the different ways to the different people. Okay, let's see the another picture. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. So all the householders, they are also talking about the Hilsa fish because that was the season of Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? So one lady asked to the Hilsa fish seller, that is the fishermonger. Okay, so this lady is asking this fishermonger that how much of price of this Hilsa fish. So this fishermonger says that you wouldn't believe it if I told you. It means it is very low in price, so you didn't believe it. So let's see the another picture. And it the place to the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. So this is the court of the king, and all the courtiers, they are also discussing about Hilsa fish. All in the market, all the fishermen, all the householders, all people in the kingdom, they just talking about Hilsa fish. We are looking in the picture. Okay, let's see what the courtiers discuss. This is the court of a king. This is a king, and this is the court of a king. All the courtiers also discussed about Hilsa fish. Let's see what they discussed. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was. So one courtier said that I caught a huge Hilsa fish to the king. So they are also discussing Hilsa fish in the court. Okay, so that is the first page. Let's turn the page. Okay, here. So hearing the discussion of that Hilsa fish, king became very angry. Stop it, king said. Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? So, told by the king that you are a courtier or a fisherman. Okay, in the next picture, let's see. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. So, with the king was become angry. So now he was feel guilty and said, King said that I am sorry I lost my temper. It is the season for hilsa fish and no one. So he stopped here and no one. So king also apologized with his mistake that he was very angry on the courtiers. Because courtiers, why the king was become very angry? Because all the courtiers were discussing about hilsa fish in the courts, king's court. Okay, so he was become very angry, but just then soon he was realized and he apologized and become sorry of that. Now let's see in the next picture. Now, king said that not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. So, king was now realized and said that about Gopal. So, who was Gopal? Gopal is the one wise man, one courtier of king's court. Okay, so king said that not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Okay, so everyone just discussing about hilsa fish. So king told that even Gopal could not stop everyone to discussing about hilsa fish. Gopal પણ hilsa fish વિશે ડિસ્કશનને રોકી શકે નહીં. He was the wise man and like Birbal. Okay, he was wise man. Gopal is a wise man like Birbal. But king said that he could not stop people to discussing about hilsa fish. Oh, now Gopal, this is the Gopal, and he told that, oh, I think I could, your majesty. So Gopal said, I could stop the people to discussing about hilsa fish. So he took the challenge. Okay, so king give the challenge that you could not stop the people to discussing about hilsa fish. But Gopal suddenly take the challenge and told that, oh, I think I could, your majesty. So હું સ્ટોપ કરી શકું છું. ઓકે, સો કિંગડમની અંદર શું છે, બધા લોકો શેના વિશે ડિસ્કસ કરી રહ્યા છે? હિલ્સા ફિશ. ઓકે, સો કિંગ વોઝ બીકમ angry, but now he was feel that ગોપાલ પણ કોઈને હિલ્સા ફિશ વિશે ડિસ્કશન કરતા રોકી શકે એમ નથી. ઇટ મીન્સ કે it is obvious to discussing about hilsa fish because that was the season of hilsa fish. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the place without anyone asking you a word about it. So that was the challenge of a king. King શું કહે છે? એક હ્યુજ હિલ્સા ફિશ મારી પાસે લઈ આવ, એન્ડ તું જ્યારે પણ હિલ્સા ફિશ મારી પાસે લાવે ત્યારે એ હિલ્સા ફિશ વિશે કોઈએ પણ ડિસ્કશન કરવું જોઈએ નહીં. સો વિધાઉટ સેઇંગ અ વર્ડ અબાઉટ ધેટ હિલ્સા ફિશ, ટેક ટુ મી અ હ્યુજ હિલ્સા ફિશ. ઓકે, હિલ્સા ફિશને મારી પાસે એક હ્યુજ હિલ્સા ફિશ લાવ. બટ ચેલેન્જ શું છે કે આ જે હિલ્સા ફિશનો સિઝન છે એની અંદર બધા જ હિલ્સા ફિશ વિશે ડિસ્કશન કરી રહ્યા છે. બટ તું એવી રીતે હિલ્સા ફિશને મારી પાસે લાવ કે જેનાથી કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ એ હિલ્સા ફિશ વિશે ડિસ્કશન કરે નહીં, કે તને કોઈક પણ આન્સર ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછે નહીં. ઓકે, દેટ વોઝ ધ ચેલેન્જ. Why? Because every people were starting discussing about hilsa fish. Now Gopal have a challenge to not discuss about hilsa fish, not a single word. ઓકે, કોઈએ પણ હિલ્સા ફિશ વિશે એને પૂછવું જોઈએ નહીં. આવી રીતે શું લાવવાનું છે? હિલ્સા ફિશ. ઓકે, now I accept the challenge, your majesty. So Gopal take the challenge. Let's see if he was success or not. turn the page. Okay, here. So let's see how he bring the fish to the king. હવે એ ફિશને કિંગ પાસે કેવી રીતે લઈ જાય વિધાઉટ એની ડિસ્કશન અબાઉટ ધેટ ફિશ. એ ફિશ વિશે ડિસ્કસ કર્યા વગર લઈ જવાનું છે. ઓકે, લેટ્સ સી. અ ફ્યુ ડેઝ લેટર. વાય ઇઝ યોર ફેસ હાફ શેવ્ડ નાવ? દેટ ઇઝ ધ અપિયરન્સ ઓફ ગોપાલ. એણે શું કર્યું છે? હાફ શેવ કર્યું છે. દેન આઈ એમ ડિઝાઇન અપ ટુ બાય અ ફિશ. ઓકે, આઈ એમ ડ્રેસિંગ અપ ટુ બાય અ ફિશ. હું આ ડ્રેસ શા માટે કરી રહ્યો છું? ફિશને ખરીદવા માટે હું આવો ડ્રેસ પહેરી રહ્યો છું. ઓકે, now let's see the next picture. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? Now Gopal is smearing the ash on her face. આ જે એશ છે એ એશને ક્યાં લગાવી રહ્યો છે? પોતાને બોડી ઉપર લગાવી રહ્યો છે. સો his wife was very surprised that you are making half shape and smearing yourself with ash. So she was very surprised. I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. So Gopal told that I am doing these types of dressing because I wanted to buy a Hilsa fish. Okay, that was the idea of Gopal. He was very wise man. Okay, now let's see what happened. See in the another picture. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful raids. What are you up to? So said by her wife, you can't go out in these types of dress, she wanted to tell. But Gopal, how many times must I tell you, woman? I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. So ખરીદવા જઈ રહ્યો છે a huge Hilsa fish. It's happened to him. He's gone mad. Her wife thinking that he's gone mad. Okay, so that is the next on the page. See on the next page here. Now Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Okay, ગોપાલે શું ખરીદ્યું છે? a huge Hilsa fish and started walking toward the king's palace. કિંગના પેલેસ તરફ જાય છે. Now let's see. આ હિલ્સા ફિશ વિશે ડિસ્કસ કોઈ કરે છે કે નહીં? ચેલેન્જ શું છે? હિલ્સા ફિશને લાવવાનું, બટ કોઈ એક પણ વ્યક્તિએ હિલ્સા ફિશ વિશે ડિસ્કશન કરવું જોઈએ નહીં. ઓકે, સો લેટ્સ સી ડિસ્કસ થાય છે કે નહીં. મર્ડર, look at that man, it's the comical. Okay, these children say that this is the man, he is looking like comical character. Okay, so they all the people also not discuss about Hilsa fish, they are only discuss about this types of wearing man Gopal. Okay, એણે જે કપડાં નવું પહેર્યું છે એના વિશે ડિસ્કસ કરી રહ્યા છે. ઓકે, and not discussing about Hilsa fish. Let's see ahead. કોઈ ડિસ્કસ કરે છે કે નહીં જોવાનું છે આપણે. He must be a madman. So these people also thinking about his appearance. So he must be a madman. એવું શું વિચારે છે કે આ કોઈક madman છે. Hush, I think he is a mystic. કોઈક mystic છે. So they are just talking about Gopal and not talking about Hilsa fish which he was buy with him. એની સાથે જે એણે ખરીદી છે હિલ્સા ફિશ એના વિશે કોઈ ડિસ્કસ કરતું નથી. I think he was being success in his task. Okay, let's see. When Gopal reached the court, what happened? Let's see. What do you want? So these two men told that, what do you want? Gopal told that, I want to see the king. Okay, you can't see the king, get away with you. Okay, so this man make Gopal to go and get out. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Okay, so Gopal did not go away but he danced and sing loudly. Okay, let's see what happened. Turn the page. Here, all these voices are reached to the king inside the palace. So, king was sitting inside the palace, and all these types of voice are reaching to the king. Which types of voice are reaching to the kings? The man is crazy. Throw him out the once. I want to see the king, let me in. So these types of voice were reaching to the king. આ બધા voice બહારથી કોના સુધી આવી રહ્યા છે? કિંગ સુધી આવી રહ્યા છે. ઓકે, લેટ્સ સી વોટ હેપન. હવે કિંગ શું કરશે? Now bring that man to me at once. Okay, king told that bring that man to me at once. એને અંદર લઈ આવો. Yes, your majesty. So this servant says that, yes, your majesty. Now, Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal, this courtier recognized Gopal and they discussed that it's Gopal. Okay, now the man has lost his mind. These all courtiers also not thinking about Hilsa fish. Okay, all the way and all the mans who met the Gopal, they were not discuss about Hilsa fish. Not even a single people who was discussing about Hilsa fish. They are just discuss about a weird looking of Gopal. ઓકે, બધાએ જેણે જેણે પણ આ ગોપાલને જોયો એ બધાએ કોના વિશે ડિસ્કસ કર્યું? ઓનલી આના વિયર્ડ લુક વિશે ડિસ્કસ કર્યું. ઓકે, એન્ડ નોટ ડિસ્કસિંગ અબાઉટ હિલ્સા ફિશ. એન્ડ ઇન ધ કોર્ટ ઓલ્સો ઓલ ધ courtiers not discussing about Hilsa fish. They are only discussing about the weird looking of Gopal. They thought that this Gopal was become mad. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. So one courtier thought that. Okay, now let's turn the page. Now here, all right, Gopal. So king told that, all right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you distressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Now king told that, why are you wearing this ridiculous fashion or odd looking dress? આવું બધું odd looking કેમ પહેર્યું છે? So your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. So now Gopal recalls the challenge which was given to the Gopal. Okay, and what was the challenge? No one discuss about Hilsa fish while taking it to the king's place. ઓકે, કિંગના પેલેસ સુધી લાવે ત્યાં સુધીમાં એને હિલ્સા ફિશ વિશે કોઈએ પણ ડિસ્કસ કરવું જોઈએ નહીં, એ રીતે હિલ્સા ફિશને લાવવાનું. સો ધેટ વોઝ ધ ચેલેન્જ એન્ડ ગોપાલ recalled that challenge. Now forgotten something. So king think that what should I forgotten? હું શું ભૂલી ગયો? Now Gopal told that, strangely enough, no one seemed to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Okay, not a single people they are talking about Hilsa fish. When I brought this fish to the market, from the market to the palace. Okay, so there was not a people who discuss about Hilsa fish. So I was success. હું success થયો. Now only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. And now the king remember about his challenge which was given to the Gopal. And he was laughing. Ha ha, well Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. So now Gopal was become successful and all the courtiers were laugh and Gopal was achieve his goal to not discuss about Hilsa fish to any people from the market to palace. Okay, so that was the funny story. Okay, of Gopal and Hilsa fish, and all about the challenge of king which was taken to the Gopal. Did you like this story? Okay, very good. Now the question answers we will discuss later. Till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.